Mastering AWS Networking for Solution Architects. Introduction. We will explore the fundamentals of AWS networking, best practices for network design, and tips for optimizing your network architecture. AWS Networking Fundamentals. At the core of AWS networking is the Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, which allows you to create isolated virtual networks within the AWS cloud. AWS Architecture for Solution Design. As a solutions architect, you must design AWS solutions that are scalable, secure, and optimized for performance. When it comes to networking, you need to consider factors such as network security, high availability, and efficient data transfer. Network design and optimization. Optimization techniques such as load balancing, caching, and content delivery networks, CDNs, can further enhance the performance of your network infrastructure. Network security in AWS. One of the biggest concerns for solution architects is network security. With AWS, you have access to a wide range of tools and features to secure your network infrastructure, including security groups, network ACLs, and encryption. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering AWS networking is essential for solution architects looking to design secure, scalable, and efficient solutions in the cloud.